In this video, we are going to be looking into the Forex market for the week. We're going to be doing the analysis and look into some trading potentials that we have. We'll take a look into the Forex calendar for the week and we'll look into the currency strength. Hello, my name is Emmanuel Adigbola, aka the Forex Apostle, and I want to welcome you to today's video. Do me a favor, if this is the first time you are stopping on my videos, or you have been frequently, you have been watching my videos, you'll be coming to these channels, but you have not subscribed. Do me a favor, smash on that subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, leave your comment below at the comment section, and of course share this video with your friend. Okay, I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that, and we will continue with this video in a second. All right, and welcome back. So as you can see from the calendar, we're going to be having, by the time you are watching this video, this has definitely passed. That will be 2:30 a.m. This will be during London session. ECB president speaks, and of course this morning, depends on when you are watching this video, US Fed chairman Powell also speaks. This will definitely move our most major currency pairs, even indices and gold. So on Tuesday, let's take a look at Tuesday. Tuesday also pretty much there is nothing when it comes to the high impact. Wednesday there's going to be by 2 a.m. also GBP, that will be British pound right here. So GBP crosses will definitely be affected by this release. And by 7 a.m. also Bank of England governor will be speaking. So GBP USD, GBP crosses, get ready for Wednesday. And of course the budget also same Wednesday, GBP budget, annual budget release. Then on Thursday we're going to be having Swiss franc. So talking about the monetary policy. So this also will move a Swiss franc crosses, and of course looking at 3:30 a.m. also on Thursday, that will be euro crosses and 4:30 Swiss franc. So this week, when you look at it very well, you will see that euro, Swiss franc, and the GBP looks a little bit busy. Now let's quickly take a look at the currency strength. As you can see, JPY is weak, euro is weak, GBP is weak, Aussie is strong, NZD is strong, Canadian dollars is strong, and Swiss franc right now not strong, not weak, but at least it's not weak. Okay, so like as we always say, we buy the strong, we will sell the weak. So I will be looking to buying Aussie pairs, Aussie crosses this week, NZD this week, and of course I'll be looking to shorten and that's selling JPY this week and the euro this week. So currency pairs like a euro AUD, you know, you are selling euro, you are buying this. So I expect currency pairs like euro AUD to go downward. Currency pairs like GBPNZD, remember GBP is low, NZD is strong, so GBPNZD are expected to go down. Currency pairs like AUDJPY, I expect that to go up because you are buying Aussie and you are selling JPY. So let's go to the chart and take a look at one or two opportunities that we might have for the week. So let's take a look at the chart. I'm going to be opening my chart right now. So let's start from the GBP USD. As we can see, you know, we are expecting that GBP USD, as you can see, is still a little bit down. But if you take a look at what we discussed here, GBP is weak. Okay, USD is not weak, it's not strong. So I'm not going to be going near that pair right now. But if you take a look at a currency pair like GBP AUD is strong, GBP is weak. So what do we say? You sell GBP, okay, and you buy AUD. So what that means? So it means that we're expecting this to go downward this week. Okay, we'll be expecting this to continue going downward. And how do you put that? If you go on daily, so you will see where we are. So we'll still be expecting to come and retest this 1.77416 before it continues going back up. Now let's quickly take a look at the GBPNZD. I'm very interested in this pair because I actually have a trade that I'm monitoring on it. So when you look at it right here, this is as we have been in this channel, as you can see, up, down. So what are we expecting? Possibly coming back up here. But then if it breaks out through from this place, because when you look at what we're saying, we say GBP is strong, GBP is weak, NZD is strong. So we expect it to actually go down, right? We expect it to go down. So if we expect it to go down, it therefore means that we're expecting GBPNZD to either, come over to this 1.90031, and if it continues downward like that, maybe 1.88842. But then there's little concern that I have here. This place looks like a triple bottom for me. To me, 1, 2, 3. So I'm thinking that we might have a pullback before we start going back downward. Okay, let's take a look at Euro AUD also. AUD is strong, Euro is weak. So when you look at that, we are still expecting this to come back to retest this 1.45759. That is a Euro AUD. Now let's quickly take a look at the Aussie. Okay, AUDJPY. Remember, Aussie is strong. So this is, as you can see, is still going up. So let's zoom out and see. So right now, what I will expect AUDJPY to do is to come back to retest this area. Okay, come back, retest this area, then we will look for a buying opportunity. Now, before I forget, there is a particular currency pairs that also caught my attention, and that is a USDJPY. USD is strong, and as you can see, this is, it's been a crazy market. Look at where we are. It's been very strong bullish, very strong bullish. But what I'm expecting is a pullback. Okay, a pullback to at least this resistance that now became a support. So if it breaks, if we come back to retest this area, we will still be looking forward for a buying opportunity for USDJPY. Now let's quickly take a look at indices. Now as you know, I normally use a NASDAQ as a point of a reference to indices. So when you take a look, this is where we are right now. On NASDAQ, we are above 50 EMA, and we are on this particular area. So if we break out from this area, then NASDAQ will not stop until it gets to 15274.02, and if it breaks out from that area, we'll be going to 15549. But my question is, are we there yet? I don't think that we are there yet, because if you take a look at daily, you can see that there's this selling pressure right there. So I won't be surprised if anything still tumbles. Like right here, can still come. We see that Phoenix. We can still come back to retest this particular 50 EMA, or even come back here. Okay, we know that the economy is in trouble. There is a stagnation going on. There is hyperinflation going on. Of course, a lot is happening right now in the forex market. So make sure if you are trading, you trade carefully and be very cautious of your trade. Okay. Once again, if you are not subscribed to this channel, do me a favor, smash on that subscribe button and then like this video, share with your friend, and I just wish you a wonderful Pips harvesting week. God bless you. I will see you in the next video.
Are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about Forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or Forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in Forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.